Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
Learn Korean in 15 minutes. Everyday words and sentences. Easy lesson. Imagine walking into a cafe in Seoul and ordering your favorite drink in perfect Korean. No subtitles, no hesitation, just confidence. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to help you do exactly that. We will learn real Korean words and sentences that you can actually use today. And don't worry, I will guide you step by step, slowly, clearly, and naturally. Let's begin. Basic greetings. 안녕하세요, which in English means hello. This is the most common and polite way to greet someone in Korean. Try saying it slowly. 안녕, 하세요. Good. Now let's continue. 안녕, which in English means hi or bye in a casual way. Use this with friends or people your age. Politeness and respect. In Korean, politeness matters a lot. Adding yo makes your sentence polite. Keep that in mind as we go forward. Yes and no. 네, which in English means yes. 아니요, which in English means no. Repeat after me. 네, 아니요. Perfect. Common expressions. 감사합니다, which in English means thank you. This is formal and respectful. 고마워요, which in English means thank you, but more casual. 죄송합니다, which in English means I'm sorry. 괜찮아요, which in English means it's okay. Asking basic questions. 이게 뭐예요? Which in English means what is this? 어디예요? Which in English means where is it? 얼마예요? Which in English means how much is it? Try saying one. 이게 뭐예요? Nice. Daily useful words. 물, which in English means water. 밥, which in English means rice or meal. 집, which in English means house. 학교, which in English means school. 친구, which in English means friend. Simple sentences. 저는 학생이에요, which in English means I am a student. 저는 한국어를 배워요, which in English means I am learning Korean. 이거 좋아요, which in English means I like this. 맛있어요, which in English means it's delicious. 천천히 말해주세요, which in English means please speak slowly. Practical scenario. Cafe. Let's imagine you are in a cafe. 아메리카노 주세요, which in English means Americano, please. 얼마예요? Which in English means how much is it? 감사합니다, which in English means thank you. Just like that, you have completed a real interaction. Encouragement. See? Learning Korean does not have to be hard. It just takes small steps and consistent practice. You are already speaking real Korean after just a few minutes. If you enjoyed this lesson, keep practicing. Repeat these phrases every day, and soon Korean will start to feel natural. I will see you in the next lesson. 안녕, which in English means bye.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.